Family and friends, I'm coming to you today with a recipe for plantains. Some places they call it Plátanos. It's a very simple recipe. They look really tasty and it didn't take long to make them. I'm going to have them as a side today. Also, I will have the recipe listed below. But briefly, I use brown sugar, just a tiny bit of white sugar, a little bit of salt, also a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. I'll have the recipe listed below for you. Enjoy. Let me know what you think if you try this recipe. Talk to you soon. Okay, since we have those savory plantains, fried plantains, they turned out really good. We will have the recipe below for you, and we decided to put some beef finger ribs with them. So I'm going to let you see what they look like. We're just cooking them in the oven, but I'll make sure that once I make the plate, I'll make sure and come back to you and have a picture for you and have the ingredients below. So here we have the ribs just about cut up to add with our fried plantains and some rice. And we'll have a green vegetable. So they've been in the oven on broil for about 10 minutes, turning them on both sides, 10 minutes per side. And they're going to go back in the oven. After I finish cutting them, I'll leave them in the oven for approximately an hour and 10 minutes. Here we have our ribs. They're going to go back in the oven for an hour and a half. We have them all nice and seasoned and everything. And we're just preparing the rice. And again, you'll see the fried plantains.